Gonna have a look at AOMEI's where is it? Partition Recovery. I've had a play with the recover data, and I'm not that impressed with it, to be honest. So they need to do better with that. Boot repair next, but for this one, I'm going to do partition recovery. So I'm going to delete all these partitions and just see if it'll. Well, I'm going to use Disgenius to delete it because AOMEI will think it's a system disk and want to go into pre-installation. I use both Disgenius and this. Both of them are good. So I'm just going to delete all partitions and save all. I'm going to go back to AOMEI. If we can get it to open. So there you go. Completely wiped, unallocated. Let's see if we can recover that Windows disk. It had 3 partitions. So select the right one and just let it go. Do a fast search first. Well, we found 3 and they all look right. 99, 150 and 57 megabytes. 574 megabytes. So let's just write them to disk. And there you go. Let's open them all up. So there you go. It's completely recovered that Windows disk that I deleted. I don't think it'll work on this next one though. So if you deleted your hard drive, you got a chance of recovering the partitions with AOMEI. It's hard to find a tool that will do that, so that is brilliant. But now we're going to reformat. So I'll just do that in Windows. Just want to be careful I don't completely wipe my own drive. Let's see if we can do it now. It's giving me too many options. So delete it and create. So basically I just formatted it. I don't think this will recover now because it's got a new partition table, so. I'll refresh it. There you go. Just one big partition there. I doubt if this will do this because I've never seen a tool do it yet. So no partition found on the fast. Well, it's going slow, so I'll come back. But it's been going for ages now and it's still only at 8%. It's fine in bits and bobs, but nothing like there was before. There's 3 clear partitions. It's showing the primary partition that is actually live now, and then 23 megabytes. So basically, if you delete your partition, you can recover. If you can't, I mean, if you formatted it again, it's not going to be able to find them. You're going to have to do data recovery.